Created a black walnut island top here. We planing the lumber on our Italian planer, and then we kind of lay it out how the board's going to go together. We cut the edges, and we have to answer the wife's text messages here. But we go back cutting the edges after that, and shortly after we bring the boards in and we are laying it out. And once we laid it out, we joined the edges of these boards. It took us a couple of us. These are heavier boards. And then we join them with the fast tool domino system. And we glue these up with Tybond 2 as an interior glue. That's what we use most. And shortly after, we rough sand and grind the actual top. Then we fix any cracks, any kind of crevices we had to fill with Star Bond glue, and then we cut them to size. Once we cut them to size, we finish grind them, and then we'll mix our Rubio monocoat that we are putting on right here. We use the squeegee to basically spread out the Rubio monocoat, and then after the first coat, we waited a few days to dry, and then we did another layer on it. And then we cut out the sink hole for the island top. It's an undermount sink, so we had to be very precise and take measurements on site and make a template. We oil the edges as well, and then as a final coat, we do a final coat of Rubio monocoat on this island top, and then we just put it in the truck and deliver it on site. And we installed in this beautiful beach home down in St. Pete Beach, and it came out real nice. The client was very happy with how it looked.